Hello, my name is Shuji, Japanese chef. I'm making deep fried eggplant and served with the tempura dipping sauce with grated daikon. So let's make the sauce for the eggplant dish, deep fried eggplant, agedashi tofu. We need to make a tempura dipping sauce. Okay, this is mirin, sweet. It's made of sweet rice and shochu, Japanese spirit. Look, it is sweet and it's got alcohol. 50 ml. 50 ml. Bring it to boil and then add to it the same amount of usukuchi soy sauce. Usukuchi soy sauce is lighter in color than normal all-purpose soy sauce, but it is slightly saltier than the, as it starts to boil, tilt to flambe to allow alcohol, goodbye alcohol, gone with the flame. Adding to it the same amount of usukuchi soy sauce and just turn off the heat. And then